Welcome to our channel. If you're setting up your Apple TV for the first time or need to change networks, follow these step-by-step instructions to connect your device to Wi-Fi and start streaming. Step 1. Power on your Apple TV and television. Make sure your Wi-Fi router is turned on and broadcasting its network signal. Step 2. Using your Siri remote or Apple TV remote, navigate to the Settings app on your Apple TV home screen. Step 3. In Settings, scroll down and select Network to access Internet connection options. Step 4. Choose Wi-Fi from the available connection types. Your Apple TV will begin scanning for available wireless networks. Step 5. Wait for the network list to populate, then select your Wi-Fi network name from the displayed options. Step 6. Use the on-screen keyboard to carefully enter your Wi-Fi password. Navigate using the remote's touchpad or directional buttons. Step 7. After entering the password, select Submit or Connect to attempt the connection. Step 8. Once connected successfully, a check mark appears next to your network. Test the connection by opening the Apple TV app or any streaming service to ensure everything works smoothly. If connection fails, double-check your password. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.